Good morning. So I thought I'd celebrate this sunny morning in London. We just had actually a very bad storm, but it's gone now. It's all bright and blue, and it's a kind of a miracle, isn't it? it was it was pouring rain 5 minutes ago, and now the whole sky is blue. Um, so so this exercise, miracle exercise, has been challenged a number of times by previous students. So I thought I'd make this video for you. Um, what some people find difficult is to disassociate the word miracle, just the word miracle, from religion or from define the laws of physics. Now, this exercise is not about religion and is not about defying the laws of physics, and it's about a number of things. So the first it's an exercise in different phases. The first phase is trying to stop you from focusing on the small things that go bad in your day, like when you take the underground, for example, and it's packed and people smell and you can't even look at your phone and then your mental chatter starts going crazy and say, oh, the underground's terrible. I shouldn't take public transport. They should do something about it. And then you're making yourself miserable for the rest of your journey. Or when you're looking for when you're stuck in traffic and you're late for your appointment and say, oh, it's always the traffic's always bad. Public transport should work better, and I'm always late. And again, your mental chatter drives you crazy. So the first step of this exercise is stop focusing on the things the small things that go bad in your day and focus on those that go well. So like you were late and all of a sudden the bus arrived just when you walked to the bus stop and there wasn't traffic and you got to the appointment on time. And wow, that was amazing. Or you're driving your car, you're looking for a parking spot and you find a parking spot immediately. Wow, celebrate that. Write it down. There's actually a good example on the instructions in the workbook. Read them anyway, even if you're watching this video. And so if you need inspiration on how to take notes on your diary for this exercise. So that is the first step. Look at all these coincidences. And the next step is maybe don't call them coincidences. Call them synchronicities. So there's something more than just a coincidence. There's things happening because the unfolding of the universe is in harmony, and you're in harmony with it, and then that's why when you're thinking of a friend, the minute later you receive a call from them or an email, or you're looking for a document on your laptop. You have no idea where you saved it. You open a folder. The first folder you open, there is your document. So again, think of them as something more than just coincidences. Again, there's many things that are working together, and you're one of them, and in harmony, in this harmony, and of the universe, and record them, record all these situations again, and allow yourself to feel happy about them, to celebrate them, and even to re-celebrate them when you read your notes in your diary. And the third level is call them miracles and make them happen. So the example on the workshop book is very clear. So think about you when you're learning a new sport, and like tennis, for example, and the first time you hit the ball in the right way with the right angle and it flies to the other side of the court in the spot where you wanted it to go at the right speed, and you defy your opponent. How did that happen? You really can't play tennis. You just started. So if you just think it was a coincidence or pure luck, chances are you will never learn how to play tennis. But the other thing you can do is actually to think, okay, what did I do right? What what was the right harmonious way to move, and following the laws of physics, and then let's try to replicate it. So that's what you need to try and do with miracles. Try and make them happen, and read instructions, because there's good stories there to read. But again, record every time you make a miracle happen, and there's a CPM alumnus that is a super rational lawyer here in London, and he says that after doing the miracle exercises, he's never had a problem finding a parking spot. So that's his words. Go with it and see how it works. Good luck.